All right, my budget-friendly peoples out there. Today we're checking out the two-piece, no-name brand high lift jack mount for my 2013 Toyota Tacoma. This thing works with 2005 and above. So yeah, got this thing installed using the basic rail mount system. Has a nice beefy hex bolt there. Had to use a 5/16, so it's a big boy. This thing is made of all coated metal, minus the bolts and mount and whatever. But yeah, it's a nice, decent, premium feeling mount. You know, there's no plastic anywhere. Feels kind of sturdy, not really too heavy, but yeah, going to be bolting on my Bunker Industries farm lift jack on here. Gonna probably need to loosen it a bit to make sure it fits through the holes. So let's get this thing mounted on. And voila, took a little juggling, a little hammering, but this thing fits perfectly on my 5-foot bed. So this is the position you're going to be having to do, because any other way it won't fit. This seems to be the only way. He saw me flipping this thing around, and yeah, looks good. It's stable. There is no movement at all. This thing is firmly put into place. Gonna probably be tightening down those hex bolts a little bit more to make sure it's fully fit. And yeah, it looks good. If you guys want to check it out, I got a link in my description. And yeah, enjoy off-roading. See you guys. Back again. So if you have one of these bed extenders, this thing will hit it. So you're gonna do some more readjusting so you can push this thing a little bit back, maybe 6-7 inches, 8 inches, so you have enough clearance to put this bed extender back on. But if you don't have it, you should be good. I'm gonna have to readjust this a little more. Yep, thanks again. See you guys later.